1070 opponents say the fight is far from over as the Supreme Court continues to debate Arizona's immigration law.
And 9 people getting released after they were arrested yesterday in the midst of a protest to that law. ABC 15's Navita Fergani talked to opponents today. And Navita, regardless of what the Supreme Court decides, they say they're going to still keep fighting.
Definitely keep fighting. The fight will not only continue on a grassroots level, but it's also going to continue at a state and national level.
Senate Bill 1070 has to be repealed.
That's the bottom line, according to State Senator Steve Gallardo. While the Supreme Court decides on the constitutionality of Arizona's immigration law, those against it say they're going to keep on fighting.
My family's been torn apart for 23 hours.
Bob McMullen is one of 9 families and friends that waited outside of initial appearance court while 9 protesters arrested during Wednesday's 1070 demonstration faced a judge.
But ICE has deported over 40,000 parents of citizen children. I'm dying after 23 hours. I can't imagine what people of color in this state are going through.
He says the fight will go on, and while they're working on grassroots support, Gallardo says if the Supreme Court does not rule in the opponent's favor, he's going to take it to the voters in the form of a proposition.
I think Governor Brewer and the Republicans here in the state of Arizona have not felt the pinch of the Latino vote, and I believe that a ballot initiative that would change public policy and turn Latinos out to vote is something that we should be considering.
Gallardo says that he is working with Congress to pass legislation that would prevent states from creating their own immigration laws. This will prevent states from coming up with their own legislation in case the Supreme Court rules in favor of SB 1070.
Navita, thank you so much. And as for SB 1070 supporters, a Supreme Court ruling in their favor could lead to similar laws all over the country. As many as 34 other states are considering similar legislation, but many are waiting on the sidelines until the High Court weighs in. As for Arizona lawmakers, well, they've looked at new, even tougher laws, including a bill which would deny citizenship to children of illegal immigrants, even though those children were born in the U.S. So far, the bills haven't gone anywhere, but they could be introduced again in the next legislative session coming up in January.